So I'm Alexander Asuncion. I'm one of the senior executives of GCGC. I'm also the business unit head of Global Officium Limited, a shared services entity of GCGC.
Sir, can you tell us about this new partnership of Global and hotelogix?
Yes. So basically, hotelogix is a property management system developer based in India. Pero they've been operating in over 100 countries with more than thousands of customers globally.
Since when po?
They've been operating for over 2 decades now.
Oh, really?
Yes. So we partnered with them recently. It came through a very stringent selection process. Lasted for more than almost 2 years, the selection process. And we finally selected them to implement a property management system for our hotel. So the property management system will enable us to improve services to our guests. Paano po? So basically, the system will allow us to gather data that will help us tailor fit our products and services to improve the services to our guests. Also, because the capability of the systems involve housekeeping modules, ordering system, inventory management system, booking systems, it will improve the overall customer experience of our guests, thereby hopefully strengthening their loyalty and eventually our brand.
Isa po sa mga benefit is yung hotel service.
Yes.
Mag-introduce yourself po. Paano po matutulungan ng hotel service sa backbone system ng hotel logic?
Before I answer that, I am Sue Javiniano, the Global Comfort Group's marketing head. So it's not only Hotel Sogo, but since Hotel Sogo is the flagship of the company, yes, of course, they will be benefiting. Well, they will be the one using initially that system, that tool in improving the technology, of course, and the customer experience. So kung paano siya matutulungan, unang-una sa lahat, we will have a more efficient process of recording kung ano yung mga kwartong nalinis na, kung ano yung, in layman's term, kasi ganun yung data gathering natin. Now, we will also have a smooth and seamless process of booking accommodation. So para sa mga guests, magiging madali ito mag-book online, safer, kasi nga marami tayong mga scams dyan, di ba? With this system, ma-secure natin ang mga guests natin na hindi maka-experience. Third, yung sistema ng malalaman namin ng back office, yung mga needs and wants ng mga guests, mas mabilis. In that way, mabilis din kami makaka-act para magawa namin yung mga request ng mga guests depending on their needs. Let's say, for example, meron silang napansin or ano, we are always open with the customers, with the guest suggestions and recommendations. So, through this system, we will be able to reach them immediately. So, yun yung ano, so sa Hotel Sogo, ganun na ganun. And also, we are in the process of digitalization. There are some rooms that we are launching that we call IoT, Internet of Things, concept rooms. So in this, these are digitalized from voice control, commands, and opening the lights, turning on the TV, and automatic dial. So this partnership would help us develop and give more amenities and in new technologies.
Sir, ano naman po, ano po ba siya? Website or app?
It's I would say it's a cloud-based system. So it becomes an app because there's a mobile app that will be developed as well.
Okay.
So the mobile app will be used by the guests.
Okay, the guests.
At the same time, it will be used by our managers and operators. So there's mobility and everything is in the cloud. So whether we use a desktop, a mobile phone, or a tablet, kaya mo natin ma-access.
So pwede na po start yung partnership, pwede na po magamit yung
ngayon po, we're customizing it because importante yung customer experience at saka yung proseso namin sa kumpanya. So we will customize it so that the system can adapt and incorporate yung mga best practices na rin sa industry. And it will take about mga 2 to 3 months to customize it. Actually, we will be piloting the first run of selected branches by May. That's the target. Pagka naging successful yung pilot, every month we will be rolling it out to the rest of the network locations.
So, pwede na po i-download kung may mobile app.
The app will be provided later pagka nabuo na yung mobile application. So uunahin muna yung central property management system.
Okay, before
Tapos
going
connect din yung mga mobile application.
Sir,
Both
last
in
ko-
Apple and Play Store.
Yes.
Sir, how's the journey of the global group now? I mean, how's the journey now? Ano na yung improvements from the past experiences to the present?
Well, it's actually a huge step in our milestone. Kasi even though I may say that we had a little laid back system in terms of booking process. If you would notice, our booking engine is still kind of primitive, but now this would help us improve, of course, from the check-in process, booking, and up to the experience itself when you are already there inside the room. Now, even that we are kind of a little late to this digital age. We have a fearless move of moving up by adding more branches.
Okay.
For Hotel Sogo alone, we have 48 branches.
Oo.
And we were not hurt with the pandemic situation. Even though we had a little cease in development because of pandemic, we were able to open up 3 branches in 2021. So that, I would say that this step is kind of a huge step for our master. So that maybe that explains a little of the development of global commerce.
And the journey, if I may add sa sinabi ni Sue, it's a giant leap, no? From where we are right now. And by the time na matapos yung system, the back-end infrastructure when it comes to the IT infrastructure, halos hindi mo makikilala ngayon pag natapos yung system. No? So it's a giant leap forward. We're even confident that we might be more advanced than some of the bigger hotel brands in the country because of this project.
Siguro na lang po, ma'am, paano na lang po na project yung effect nito sa hotel reservation. So, magbubong po ba yung, ni-expect niyo po ba na magdadagdag siya ng sales?
Of course. Any investment would expect added sales. And of course, added loyalty from our guests. So that expectation, not only we are expecting for good sales or good profit income, as I may say, we are practically expecting for more loyalty from the client. The trust that we provide excellent service. Yung tiwala ng magiging guest natin. Siyempre, pag na-experience nila yung mga benefit na maibibigay nitong partnership na to, ng new technology, I would understand that it would have more trust and confidence to us, to all these hotel brands that we have.
I don't know kung sino pwede sumagot, pero how far are global group now when it comes to yung target vision ninyo, kung gaano dapat kalaki ang Hotel Sogo or yung iba pa nilang mga
I'll try to answer that. Very recently, as in last week, we went through a visioning exercise. No? We're trying to map the next 10 years for the group. And I would say na kasi the first part of the life cycle of the group, in a way we've exceeded expectations na rin. We're the biggest chain hotel operations company in the country. I don't think the owners thought na in 1992 aabot tayo dito. I think we've checked that already. We're looking into the future right now. In fact, we're looking at going out of the existing industry. We're now looking at how to harness other businesses that would utilize space and real property. So I think we're starting in the right direction by using the right technology for our core business, and hopefully yung momentum na yun will be will be carried out do sa mga iba pa naming business ventures sa darating in the coming years.
That would be for the mother company. But if you will speak about our hotel group for this 5 brands, it is true that Sir Alex said that it exceeded the expectation. Just to give you a brief overview, the first target was only 6 branches. That was in 1993. And then here came 1995, we became 10 branches. So in the first decade, it exceeded already the expectation. Now moving forward, in the future, we are actually targeting 1,000 branches across Asia, not only in the Philippines. Maybe whatever brand that is, we will be, but it will be under the management of Global Group.
Yeah, to support that, I think I mentioned it to some of your colleagues, to some of your peers. We're actually trying to register some of our brands in other countries and markets already. So we're looking beyond the Philippines already. We're looking at the region.
Sir, para lang po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano po yung nasa ibang bansa na part na brand ng hotel?
Let's wait for the
That
launch.
May launching.
Pero it's an exciting time for all of us kasi we're now looking at other countries dito na sa Philippines.
Sir, last message lang for the clients natin, customers. Anong mabibigay ng Global this coming future?
So to our loyal guests and customers, rest assured that GCGC is here to stay. We will offer better products, better services, hopefully better outlets for you to enjoy our brands. We hope to harness the experience of the guests, and we thank you very much for the loyalty that you've given us all these years. Thank you.
Okay, if you still need my word for hotel group for all our brands, for Hotel Sogo, Eurotel, Astrotel, Dream World, and Apple View Hotel, I will be promising you an improved service, feel, experience of accommodation.